From tires to coolant systems to batteries, there are a number of summer maintenance checks that can help your fleet avoid unexpected downtime.
The biggest summertime related maintenance issues we deal with obviously is tires. Fleets really need to manage and take a look at their tire pressure as much as they can. Obviously elementary things about air pressure and tires, but the number one tire failure reason that we see is underinflated tires. Some commonly missed things from a maintenance perspective, obviously mentioned air pressure with tires, but coolant system. We run a tremendous amount of underheat temperatures in today's modern trucks with emissions, and that's a really situation. Take a look at belts, hoses, those conditions, and taking a look at the coolant levels. And a large thing is really making sure that they're looking at the radiators and the screens on those and keeping them free of debris. Because a lot of these trucks don't get as many trips to the wash bay, if you will, while we're out there in the summertime. And with those hood temperatures like that, the debris can really make a difference on the temperature of the truck. A lot of the reoccurring mistakes is not learning from the things that put the customers on the side of the road. A big thing that's overlooked, obviously, is battery life. That's so associated with the wintertime, but the reoccurring things are the units coming home and they not correct the issues once you get home. I think that's the biggest thing, is no follow-up on the preventive issues that caused your roadside failure.